The DJI Mavic series has consistently redefined aerial imaging. Since the Mavic 3's debut in 2021, the drone community has been eagerly anticipating its successor. Now, as we approach the 3-year mark, rumors about the DJI Mavic 4 are generating great excitement. In this video, we'll dive into the leaks and speculation surrounding the Mavic 4. From groundbreaking camera upgrades to innovative new features, we'll explore what could make this drone a game-changer in the industry. We'll also discuss the possible price point and release date. So, without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. The upcoming DJI Mavic 4 is rumored to be an exciting evolution in the world of consumer drones. The design is said to prioritize aerodynamics and speed, addressing user requests for a faster, more maneuverable drone. With a rumored weight of under 900 grams, the Mavic 4 could offer improved flight times. Integrated LED beacons for night flights and dual micro SD card slots hint at enhanced usability and data management. The most interesting rumors surround the camera system. The Mavic 4 is said to feature a larger gimbal setup, housing a Hasselblad-branded triple camera system. This could mean a significant upgrade from the current 4/3 sensor, possibly even to an APS-C format. This improvement would result in better resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The triple camera configuration suggests enhanced zoom capabilities and versatile focal length options. We can expect developments in autonomous flight, obstacle avoidance, and tracking capabilities. These features could make the Mavic 4 an even more powerful tool for both amateur and professional drone fans. A larger battery could be used for increased flight times, while the addition of USB-C ports directly on the batteries could offer more convenient charging options for users in the field. Regarding the release date and price, speculation points to a fall 2024 launch, although the recent introduction of the Mavic 3 Pro might push this timeline back. Pricing is expected to be in line with or slightly above the Mavic 3's launch price of $2,199 for the standard bundle. While these rumors paint an exciting picture of the DJI Mavic 4, it's important to remember that they are just that, rumors and speculations. Therefore, we should wait for official announcements from DJI for the exact specs and details. That's all for today about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. What are your thoughts on this? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.